Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how does Google Photos work on the iPhone. So firstly you need to go to the App Store, install the application, because by default it's not Android, so it's not installed on your phone. After you install the application, you just open the app, sign in into your account. Also, I recommend it to enable backup, but I will show you later how to enable it also. Continue. Do not allow, or allow if you need notification. Then you need to allow full access to your library, but it's up to you. You can also set limit access. I want to allow full. Then I strongly recommend it to enable backup. So if you didn't it before when you sign in, you can click at the profile icon, then click turn on backup, and right here select original quality or storage saver. It's up to you. If you want to save some space, select storage saver, and Google Photos for free offer for you 15 gigabytes of storage. But you share this space with Google Drive and with Gmail. So maybe it's a good one to use storage saver if you don't want to pay for Google Photos. But I want to select original quality. You can also enable it if you click at the profile icon, go to the Google Photos settings, and right here in the backup we have backup quality. Just change it right here. Okay, so next. Now we just install and set up it. So then, now firstly check my gallery. Right here, this is mine, and I want to just make some photo. Let's say this one. So I have it in the gallery, as you can see. And if we return to the Google Photos, we have it also here. When your backup enabled, it automatically saves copies to the cloud. Also, as you saw, you have the photo in your gallery and in your Google Photos account. If you remove it from the phone, it may remove it also from the Google Photos, because it shares the same local space on the phone. Now, you can use Smart Search, you can use Collection, you can add your photos to the album or to archive or to locked folder. Now you have access to this. Also, you can free up some space. You can click at the profile icon, then click and delete. It will delete photos from your phone, but not from the storage. And you can hide when you move your photos to the archive or locked folder. You hide it from the photos feed. If you use archive, you can still find them using search or album. But when you move it to the locked folder, you hide them and you have access them only if you go to the locked folder. Also, when you open locked folder for the first time, it will ask you to turn on backup. So I recommend you to do this if you want to backup photos in the locked folder, or do not allow, it's up to you. So then write your password, and and as you can see it asks me. And right here we have photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.